Barbara, your template is looking really good. Let me show you one other thing, or a place really, where you can add other fields to put into your templates.
Okay.
Before, we typed in this macro button, and that's a little cumbersome sometimes to type that in.
Yeah, I was sitting there thinking, wow, am I going to have to remember all of that?
Exactly. So one of the things that you might want to do, I'm just going to place my cursor in the My House Salvage template 2. I'm going to go ahead and place my cursor underneath this. And then notice on the Insert tab, down here in the text grouping, you have some different things that you can put in here.
Okay.
In particular, I'm interested in maybe putting a date. Wouldn't it be nice if the current date was automatically put in there for you?
Sure.
So let's do that. Let's click on Insert Date and Time. And let's go ahead and put the date in there, the day as well as the date in there. And I'm going to make sure that this guy right here, Update Automatically, is selected.
Okay.
Then let's choose OK. It will put that date in there for us. Notice that when I hover over it, it's a field, so it will update that for us. And then let's go back and save this. So I'll do File, Save As, verify that the correct name and type is in there, and let's go ahead and choose Save. So now, if I close this, I'm going to close this too, and do File, New, go to my personal, and open up this template. Now,
Da-da-da.
we have a date.
There it is. Very cool.
So there's all kinds of different things that you can insert into a template. You can put in text boxes, you can put in areas where people will have to put a signature in there, there's dates. This whole area is a good area to look to standardize your document.
Okay. I think this is wonderful because a lot of times people, when there's a template, if there's nothing to prompt them, they might forget the date. So I like that, and I'm thinking, can I put that field in the footer even?
Absolutely. As long as you, let me go ahead and double click up here in the header, as long as you double click, put the information in there, and then save it as a template, it will come up each and every time.
Great. You're showing me a lot of wonderful things, and I just can't wait to get started and get things really consistent in our office.